You must be wondering, why is he peeling potatoes? Obviously, if I'm going to be making homemade French fries, we need to peel these potatoes. It's been long overdue. I was supposed to do this almost a few months back. But you know what? I had to do this today. You know why? Because I've got the most amazing potatoes and we call them Talegaon potato or wafer ke aloo. So we're just going to be peeling these off and then we're going to be just cutting them into nice home style fries. Okay? Not the ones which you buy in the bag which are machine made. I don't know how many of those potatoes are even real. Okay? Now cooking French fries at home does require some kind of skill and also patience, okay? Firstly is that the type of potatoes you buy. Now, the type of potatoes you buy are very important. You can't have potatoes which are very high in starch. वो बहुत मीठे आलू होते हैं. And so they have to be slightly old as well and they have to be less starchy potatoes, okay? So in India, we use the Talegaon. And whenever they make French fries abroad, they use the Idaho potato or the russet potatoes, okay? Just to give you a little gyan on potatoes. Great. What is also important is the oil in which you fry the potatoes, okay? Now, I'm using Emami Healthy and Tasty Ultralite Soyabean Oil. That's my oil, baby, okay? Right here in front of you. Make sure you watch this gallon properly so that you know जब भी आप shopping जाओगे next आपने क्या खरीदना है. In making French fries, there could be 3 steps which are called triple cooked chips or twice cooked chips. All French fries are cooked twice before you actually fry them. So sometimes it's even 3. So first things first, I'm going to be adding my ultralight soyabean oil here. Okay, this I thought is the best oil for frying. Perfecto. So this is sorted. Now, my plan is that French fries go first, blanch them in a medium hot oil without coloring them till they are almost kind of half to 3/4 way cooked. And then I'm going to drain them and I put them in the fridge till they cool down. So I've got my fries here. I've kind of making sure, yeah, perfect. Now, okay, you will see, अरे बहुत छोटे लग रहे हैं, but you know what? You can, these are homemade, okay? They have to be the home style. If they were made by the machine, what's the point of calling them home style French fries? But taste-wise, guys, I vouch, these are top class. Now, for me, I'll be honest with you, I like to even air fry my French fries, okay? So literally, you can blanch them in this once and even finish it in the air fryer, you know that. So, I'm going to be doing French fries, but I'm going to be making a couple of really cool toppings. One of them is my really nice, spicy Mexican kidney bean ragu, which I like to eat with my fries, okay? So, I'm going to be showing you 2 variations today. One is peri-peri fries, and one is cheesy fries. French fries are ready. I'm just going to put them back in this water and going to rinse this out a couple of times. So we're going to be washing these potatoes a couple of times. Nice. Now sometimes what I do is I actually process this just like this, rinse it a few times and put it inside my fridge. So they say ice cold. This is almost getting there. Okay. Now while this is frying, I'm going to tell you a little story about French fries. Okay. Does anybody know the origin of French fries? And why are they called French fries? Well, there are 2 countries who actually claim that the French fries were originated in their country. One is Belgium, the other one is France. Now, what happened was, right back in the 16th century, the locals of Belgium used to actually deep fry fish and eat fish, okay? But in the winter, the rivers and the sea used to freeze and they didn't have anything else but potatoes, and there were abundance of potatoes found. They started frying potatoes and they started calling them vlam frites, French fries. Since then, Belgium claim that the original French fries and the dirty fries, which has lots of cheese and truffle mayo, comes actually from Belgium. Now, why are they called French fries? Because the idea of cutting the potato into thin strips was called Frenching, and that's the reason why French fries got their name, French fries. Got it? Great. Now this is almost ready, so let's start blanching them first in here. I've drained them beautifully here, and next what we're going to do is we are going to literally blanch them till they are half cooked, okay? I'm frying them on a medium-high flame. I'm going to be cooking this for about 6 to 7 minutes, almost 8 to 9 minutes, till these potatoes are a little more than 3/4 done. So, another thing is that, dekho, the smaller potatoes have already kind of started floating up. Now you can see the potatoes are starting to cook. They're almost getting there, okay? So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to be draining these potatoes here, okay? Lovely. Perfecto. Now you can see they've started kind of cooking through. They're almost like more than half cooked to what I think so for sure, okay? Now you could see after we fry this, there's going to be no chup chup. It's going to have a very nice neutral flavor. And definitely it's got a very high smoking point. So you could use this oil without any stress, guys. Now we have our fries which are done in here. Beautiful. And I'm going to be putting this in the fridge right now to cool it down. So, as you know, French fries can be eaten with a lot of things, okay? Normally or very plainly, ketchup ke saath, mustard ke saath, mayonnaise ke saath. Now in Belgium, fries and mayo are huge, okay? Fries and ketchup is America. Fry and mayo and ketchup and mustard is actually France, okay? So मैंने सोचा, why don't I do something really nice and cool? Okay, so I'm actually making a really nice spicy rajma and chana ka ragu. So rather than having something which is more, I mean, normally what do people put a lot of cheese onto it, they add a little bit of mayonnaise. So I'm going to show you various things. I love this whole combination of eating a nice bean stew, you know, along with my French fries, because okay, it's more than being healthy. I think it's a great combination, okay? So for this we're going to be adding a little bit of soybean oil into this. I already have my rajma which is cooked. I already have my kala chana which is cooked. I've got some capsicum, some onions, some garlic, थोड़े से bird's eye chili, coriander, थोड़ा सा tomato puree, rajma ka pani. So we all set, buddy. Perfecto. So first things first, 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, green chilies in here. Beautiful. Once these are done, I'm going to be adding a little bit of ginger. Lovely. Giving this a nice mix. So we've got this really nicely sauteing in the pan, and then we have some red bell peppers here. Giving this a lovely mix. Beautiful. अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे my rajma here. and along with my cooked chana. Really nice, high protein, delicious. I've got 1 tablespoon of tomato puree which I'm adding in here. Lovely. Some salt to taste. And then I have a little bit of lovely. I've got a little bit of jeera powder here which I'm putting, cumin powder, and I'm adding a little bit of red chili powder. Lovely. Ragu is almost ready. It's that simple. So we're going to be adding a little bit of black pepper and then some lovely dhania. So we've got this really amazing ragu happening here. Beautiful. And our ragu is ready. So ये जो ragu for our fries is ready. I already have a fantastic peri-peri sauce which I have made, and I will tell you how to make it as well until you see my video very soon. So we have our bean ragu ready. Yes. So we have our French fries nice and cold. Okay. The oil is absolutely good. Medium high to high flame. This is exactly what we are looking for. Next, we're going to be dropping these in. Be careful when you are dealing with hot oil, guys. I have a little experience, but remember, when you're cooking with oil, make sure that there is no water around anywhere, otherwise it is going to be very, very dangerous. Yeah. So here we go on a nice high flame. I'm literally second time blanching these French fries until they get really nice, perfectly golden brown and crispy. Beautiful. You can see हमारे crunchy, wunchy French fries तैयार हो गए. So we're just going to give this a little drain on this drain pad. Beautiful. There's no stickiness. Fries are absolutely crispy, not oily at all. Perfect. So this was the first stage. Second, we just got to make sure that we drain them even more. Perfect. Next, into my master bowl. Amazing. Cracked black pepper, a little bit of salt, and some Parmesan cheese. Lovely. Along with a little bit of parsley. Awesome. So we have these lovely salt and pepper Parmesan fries, which is actually one variety of fries in here already. So we're going to be adding this here, right here. Beautiful. And next we're going to add in the next one here. Beautiful. So we have our Parmesan fries which are ready to go, both of them. And next, let's make some loaded fries. So for this, we have this lovely bean ragu, which I'm actually putting on top of my fries, just like that. Beautiful, look at that. Next, I'm going to be doing a very classic one, okay, which is one of my favorites. Sometimes you got to keep things simple. Very simple. I have a really nice honey mustard mayonnaise, which is mayonnaise with a little bit of honey and mustard, which I'm putting here, along with which I'm adding a little bit of my signature peri-peri sauce, which you will see my videos, or you must have already seen. So we have this lovely peri peri sauce going with this. I love this whole combination of mustardy, sweet, spicy, vinegary. Outstanding. To this, we're going to be adding a little bit of fresh parsley. Here, I'm going to be topping it with a little more cheese. Wow, look at that. Now that's what I call fries. Homemade fries with various toppings. And guys, if you have any good ideas, any new toppings, something really cool, please put them in your comments below. I will be more than happy to create some amazing meals for you. Until then, keep watching, do like, do subscribe, and definitely have a French fry or two. I'll see you soon.